Good morning, students. Today, our topic is about surprise birthday party. Can you tell me something about surprise? Yes, what is surprise? Surprise is something unexpected event. It is a something unexpected event. Now see this picture, children. Which things are there in this picture? Yes, cakes, balloons, and children are enjoying the birthday party. You all are also very excited about your birthday party, no? Yes. And do you like to go to parties? Yes. So today we are going to enjoy a very special birthday party. So children, open your English textbook, page number 29. Lesson number 5, surprise birthday party. First of all, I am going to read the topic. You just put your fingers on the words. There was a monkey named Manku. Manku lived in a cave. A lake was near the cave. Ducky, the drake, and his sister Lucky lived in the lake. Jean and Jenny, the cranes, lived near the lake. All of them were Manku's friends. They loved to play together. One day, Manku became very happy. Oh, tomorrow is Sunday, and Sunday is my birthday. Ducky, Lucky, Jean, and Jenny will come to say happy birthday, said Manku. Soon it was Sunday. Manku waited for a long time, for hours and hours. But no one came, so he felt very sad. Manku went to the lake, but no one was there. So sadly, Manku came back to his cave. Manku was surprised to see the lake cake on the table. Wow, a cake, said Manku. Ducky, Lucky, Jean and Jenny came out and shouted, Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Manku! We were waiting to give you a surprise, all said. I baked cake for you, said Jean. I bought some grapes, said Jenny. And we have made this table for you, said Ducky and Lucky. It's a really surprise for me. Thanks, my dear friends. You all are really great. I love you all, said Manku. Then they all danced together. Okay, children. Now let's see the story. See, there was a monkey. And what was his name? His name was Manku. And Manku lived in a cave. And this cave was near the lake. See this lake? Yes, the cave was near the lake. Ducky the drake and his sister Lucky live in the lake. There are two ducks, brother and sister. Okay, they lived in the lake. And Jean and Jenny, the cranes, live near the lake. Here are two cranes. They lived near the lake. And Ducky Lucky lived in the lake. All of them were Manku's friend and they love to play together. You also like to play with your friends, no? Yes, as like you. These Lucky, Ducky, Jean, Jenny and Manku were good friends and they love to play together. One day, Manku became very happy. Oh, tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. Wow, you're also thinking like that, na? If tomorrow is your birthday, then that time you're thinking lots of things. I will get gifts, I will cut the cakes, my all friends came. Yes? Yes. So Manku was thinking tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. Ducky, Lucky, Jean, Jenny will come to say happy birthday to me. Yes, he was thinking. Soon it was Sunday. Manku waited for a long time, for hours and hours, but no one came. So he felt very sad. Oh, today is my birthday, but no one came to wish me. No one came to give me surprise. Oh, no one came to give wish me. He felt very sad. He thought something happened wrong. Let's go and see where is my all friends. So Manku went to the lake, but no one was there. Oh, where is the Lucky Ducky, Jean and Jenny? Wow, what happened? Okay, then Manku sadly came back to his cave. Wow, Manku was very surprised to see the cake on the table. Wow, cake, said Manku. He became very happy. Then what happened? See? Ducky, Lucky, Jean and Jenny came out and shouted loudly, Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Manku! Happy birthday! Wow, we were waiting to give you a surprise, said all. Jean, Jenny, Lucky Ducky, they were saying, we all are waiting to give you surprise. That's why we didn't wish you from morning. Okay, then what Jean is saying? I bake cake for you. Who baked cake for Manku? Jean. And Jenny bought grapes for Manku. Jenny is saying, I bought you some grapes. Okay. Then there are two dogs now. What they are saying? And we made this table for you. Ducky Lucky made table for Manku. Then Manku became very happy and he said, Thank you, my dear friends. You all are really great. I love you all. It's a very surprise for me. Thank you, my friends. I love you all. And they all danced together. Yay! So, isn't it very interesting birthday party? Yes. Okay, now children, let's come to your textbook page number 30. Match the following things and sounds with their pictures. Here are the things and name of the things are here. Okay, BELL, bed. Where is the picture of bed? Here it is. So let's match with bell. And what is the sound of bell? Rings. Bell rings. Next, HORN, horn. This is the picture of horn. One man is giving horn. Horn. And what is the sound of horn? Honks. Next, CLOCK, clock. Where is the clock? Here. Clock. Clock. Sound of clock is tick. TICKS, tick. Tick tick. Next, DRUMS, drums. Here is the picture of drum. And drum, what is the sound of drum? Beat. Drum, beat. Next, DOOR, door. Where is the picture of door? Here. Let's match. And what is the sound of door? Bangs. Door, bangs. And last, dishes. DISHES, dishes. Here is a picture of dishes. Yes, and dishes clutter. Okay. Let's read new words. First one, CAVE, cave. Second, NEAR, near. Third, DRAKE, drake. Fourth, CRANE, crane. Fifth, HAPPY, happy. 6. TOMORROW, tomorrow. 7. BIRTHDAY, birthday. 8. WAITED, waited. 9th. HOURS, hours. 10th. SURPRISE, surprise. 11th. PARTY, party. 12th. BAKED, bake. 13th. CAKE, cake. 14th. FRIENDS, friends. And last 15, DANCED, danced. Write these new words in your English notebook. Thank you.